Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here is the new Dell USB Type-C adapter, which I have bought from online shopping for $70. Let us unbox this and see what it has to offer. Nowadays most of the tablets and laptops comes with this USB-C type connector to connect multiple devices. This come in handy in such scenarios. This model was designed to work with Dell models, but I have used this with other non-Dell products too, to check compatibility, and it works well. You can see the adapter itself with no additional accessories except the user manual. This Dell's adapter is quite compact, with 2.4 by 2.4 inches square, and only 0.7 inches thickness. You can slide this into your pocket easily. This is made of plastic with quite big logo in the center, with decent build quality. On one side of this adapter, you can see the VGA and HDMI ports. On the other side, Gigabit Ethernet and USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. On the bottom, you can pull out the USB Type-C cable to connect to PCs and phones that support USB Type-C, USB power delivery, and DisplayPort video. It would have been nice if this cable was about twice as long as it is now. Sometimes the accessories and anything attached to it end up hanging awkwardly down the side of the tablet. I tested this USB-C adapter with both a Dell Inspiron 7570 and a Samsung Galaxy Tab Pro, two new Windows 10 tablets, each with a single USB Type-C port, and, surprisingly, there was no any issue in configuring multiple equipments. It worked flawlessly. My Samsung tablet was successful in downloading the required drivers and software to operate this adapter as soon as I plugged into it. One important thing I have noticed is, we can only use one port at a time, either HDMI or VGA, but not both at once. I was hoping that I can connect two devices at once and working along, but it just doesn't work. Connecting monitor to my tablet through this adapter was easy. It allows you to either mirror your tablet screen, or can be used as two separate desktops using software. Let me tell you, the maximum resolution with an HDMI connection is 2048 by 1152 pixels, and with VGA, it is 1600 by 1200 pixels. The USB 3.0 port allows peripherals like mice, keyboards, and printers to be connected directly to the computer. Also, we can connect an additional USB hub. I had no problems using a 4-port hub with a mouse, keyboard, and flash drive. I had problem with accessing strong Wi-Fi at my home, so I used Ethernet connection through this adapter, and to my surprise, it was very fast, and Wi-Fi data transfer is also very fast compared to the Wi-Fi. I could feel the speed, accessing internet between Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection. The Dell USB-C adapter can be used simultaneously to connect to an Ethernet network, USB peripherals, and an HDMI or VGA monitor to turn a Windows tablet into a desktop PC, but not HDMI and VGA at the same time. This is the only flaw I found with this adapter. One more drawback I found with this adapter is, you cannot power up your device through this adapter, so if you are using this adapter, then your device will be unplugged from power supply, if you have only one C-type port on your device. So, in this case you cannot connect this adapter to your device, as a permanent hub. This adapter is painful to use, with devices which have less battery backups. Here is the conclusion: the Dell USB-C adapter is easily portable, and comes with enough ports that it can turn a tablet into a desktop PC. However, the DA200 lacks a way to charge the host computer through the USB-C port. The flat flexible cable could have been a little longer than it is now, as hard strong HDMI cables will make this adapter wobble around when connected. Other than the above issues, this adapter is a good value for money, and very useful in our day-to-day life, when dealing with multiple accessories.